Incidence and management of fungal urinary tract infection in burn patients. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Urinary tract infection is the most common hospital-acquired infection. UTIs are infections of the urethra, urethritis, bladder cystitis, or kidney pyelonephritis. It is among the most common infections worldwide, with substantial morbidity, mortality, and economic burden. Fungal species are unusual causes of urinary tract infection in healthy individuals, but are common in the hospital setting or among patients with predisposing diseases and structural abnormalities of the kidney and collecting system. Burn patients are susceptible to nosocomial infections owing to the immunocompromising effects of burn injury, cutaneous and respiratory tract injury, prolonged intensive care unit stays, and broad-spectrum antibiotic therapy. The study aims to determine the prevalence of fungal urinary tract infection, the most common fungal species, and possible risk factors that may increase the occurrence of infection in burn patients. A prospective study of 150 selected burn patients attending the Medical City Burn Center in Baghdad from February 2015 to January 2017 was conducted. The study population includes adult patients of both genders who presented with different percentages of body burns. Urine sample was collected from each patient at the time of admission and weekly thereafter for 6 weeks and sent for general urine examination and urine culture to test for the possibility of fungal growth. Those who were found to develop fungal UTI by urine culture during their hospitalization and had no infection at the time of admission were selected as subjects for our study. Informed consent was obtained from each participant before sample collection. Data on patient demographics, underlying diseases, previous and concurrent infections, antibiotic and immunosuppressive therapy, urinalysis results, urinary tract instrumentation, and duration of hospitalization were collected from patients. 18.6% patients had positive fungal culture during their hospitalization, 11 of them were males and 17 were females. The most common age of presentation was 41 to 50 years and the mean age plus or minus SD was 44.4 plus or minus 10.7 years. The most common isolated fungi were Candida albicans 64.3%, followed by Candida glabrata 21.4% and Candida tropicalis 7.1%. The majority of patients developed infection within the second and third weeks of hospitalization. However, those who presented with total body surface area burned greater than 40% developed an earlier infection within the first week. Female gender, urethral catheterization and diabetes mellitus were significantly associated with higher risk of infection as the p-values were 0.03, 0.005 and 0.004, respectively. In burn patients' management, infection with systemic sepsis is the most important consideration. This systemic sepsis resulting from invasive infection remains the most common cause of high mortality rates among patients with major body burns. Fungal urinary tract infection occurred in 18.6% of burn patients. The most common causative fungi are Candida species. Advanced age, female gender, high percentage of body burn, urethral catheterization and diabetes mellitus were identified as the most common risk factors of such infection. Introduction. Urinary tract infections (UTIs) are very common, affecting millions of people worldwide each year. While bacteria are the usual cause, fungi, especially Candida albicans, can also lead to UTIs, particularly in hospital settings. These fungal infections are more common in patients with weakened immune systems, long hospital stays, or medical devices like urinary catheters. Burn patients are especially vulnerable due to their weakened immunity and the use of catheters and other medical procedures. One challenge in treating fungal UT is determining whether the presence of fungi in urine signals a true infection or just contamination. This study focuses on identifying how common fungal UTIs are in burn patients, which fungal species are most responsible, and what risk factors, like catheter use, antibiotic treatment, or diabetes, may increase the likelihood of infection. Understanding these factors can help improve prevention and treatment in vulnerable patients. Conclusion: fungal urinary tract infection occurred in 18.6% of burn patients. The most common causative fungi are Candida species. Advanced age, female gender, high percentage of body burn, urethral catheterization, and diabetes mellitus were identified as the most common risk factors of such infection. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.